Good afternoon, my friends. I hope you're well. Today we're going to be discussing zero fiat. So this is a way to use stable coins directly from your wallet to make purchases on big websites like Amazon, TK Maxx, Nike, depending on what country you're in. So they're claiming they support 130 supported stores, and they said they're going to be adding a lot more in the future. I'm obviously based in the UK, judging by my accent, so I've got a plethora of websites and stores to choose from. I think probably in the US you have more option or other countries as well. For me, I'm probably going to be using it for Amazon purchases. I used to use one of those crypto cards and they would give, for the reason they used to give 1% cashback. This gives up to 7% cashback. So if you're spending a healthy amount, it's worth to do it. Now remember, there's no like KYC. So this is the advantage of me using it. Nobody knows I'm purchasing on these websites. You can make a new Amazon account and you can just purchase directly on there. So it works the same way as the crypto cards. You deposit stable coins when you connect your wallet. So you don't deposit and it just swaps it through and then just deposits fiat from there. There are no fees as well. So this is for now, there'll be no fees. I'm guessing there'll probably be some afterwards as well, but it works through an extension. So just click get the extension, download it, and it comes up here and you'll be able to see from here. So once you're on the sites, you'll be able to see the little icon pop up here and it will tell you, okay, you can purchase once you're through. So we're going to make a purchase now. I want to buy one of these little air fryer things and I just want to purchase one. So we're going to just buy now and we'll drop it through on MetaMask, I believe. So we're going to pay with BEP20. Yeah, let's use some BNB chain and we're going to connect our wallet. So obviously with any extension, you can make a fresh wallet. It doesn't matter. There's no way for them to see your transactions or anything. So we'll switch network and we'll authenticate. So this is just confirming everything's going to go through. This is my wallet. So we're signing the transaction and it will go through. So once this goes through, we're sending it to their wallet and then it should give us all that order details once this goes through. And once that's done, it will work exactly the same way. It will show on your account, etc. And everything will go from there. So then once you've purchased, you'll be able to see in your order page, you get a voucher which you can then claim. This is obviously Amazon. All the sites work the same. Once you claim that, get your code, you click the details, and then you'll be sent to a page where you can copy and paste your details. Come on time from Amazon. This app is pretty decent, in fact, especially if we're getting no fees on it and then we're getting a heavy amount of discount like 7%, 5% on these sites. So go ahead, give it a try, see if you like it, and then the link is in the description. Any questions, let me know.